Kunal, a word on the index move that we are seeing right now. How much of it do you think is just on account of the management of the weekly options expiry, and come tomorrow, would you expect this strength in Bank Nifty to continue?
So strength in Nifty should continue for at least the next couple of days. And yes, the expiry move was something which was taking place in the last half an hour or so, because I think almost at just a strike at 3 p.m. we saw the index falling sharply from 47,700 mark towards 47,500, and then immediately in the next 15 minutes or so, the index recovered back towards 47,700 mark and then higher from those levels. So I think it's purely to do with the expiry for the Bank Nifty. But I also believe that the recovery for many of the larger cap names which you're seeing in the last half an hour, last 1 hour, also gives a sense that we could probably be seeing the Nifty moving up higher going forward. And I think now we could be looking at 22,500 as a fresh base for the index. And I think that could be a bigger catalyst for the index going forward.
Right, okay, let's begin winding up for the day. Before that, let's just quickly get in some BTST trades as well. Naresh, what's your list like?
So first is a buy on Tata Steel, looks like a breakout, stop loss at 170, target price of 178. Second is a buy on Granules India, good price volume breakout today, stop loss at 420, target price of 435.
Right, Kunal, what about you?
So I'll go with two mid-cap names. Buy on CIE India, targets of 600 and stop loss could be kept at 500. And Indiabulls Real Estate could be the other stock, which I would suggest is a buy, targets of 150, stop loss 121.
Okay, that's the take coming in on some of those closing strategies. Gurmeet, we'll let you go on that note. Kunal, Naresh, we'll see you again with all the trades tomorrow morning. Today we managed a little bit of a pull-up, but nothing really meaningful. But we're closing around that 90-odd point gain mark. I think on post-adjustment, we'll, of course, close a lot closer to that 22,600 range. Granules, Oberoi Realty once again has spurted up. This has actually been one of the star performers for the last fortnight or so. 3.6% higher is where it's closing in for the day. There's BEL, PI Industries, and amongst the large caps, it's got to be Reliance and Cipla, which has really done the heavy lifting in today's trading session, and even ITC ahead of its numbers, closing in with that 1.5% in the green kind of move. L&T, not bad, even though it ebbed off a little bit from the highs of the day. Infosys, higher by 1% or so. Coal India, 2% higher. And then Unilever as well, which put on a good 2% in today's trading session. To the pressure points, while of course, some of the private banking names definitely did lift off a little bit. Cases in point being HDFC Bank, ICICI as well as Kotak, but still close in flat on a net basis. In fact, ICICI Bank finally settled lower by almost 1%, and that was pretty much the case with Axis as well. Shriram, Apollo Hospitals, Hindalco, Hero MotoCorp and JSW Steel. So some of the select metal names have definitely seen some profit taking come by. So that's pretty much it for the day. We're going to wind it up right here on this edition of Closing Trades. Thanks very much for watching.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.